Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to post your first Instagram stories with the trending templates on Instagram. Go ahead and open Instagram on your phone, swipe left, and you can see the story section. You can add your own story or you can add it from any gallery. So after you add the photo, you can see this template icon over here. Go ahead and tap on it. Then you can see there are a lot of things over here like questions, location, mention, music, photo, GIF, add yours, frame, reveal, add your music, cutouts, notify, avatar, templates. So this is what you want to click on. There are other things like poll, reaction, and this reaction option over here, link, AI stickers, hashtag, countdown. You can use all of this. So you can see the AI stickers over here. You can add something like this, click create, and the AI will create some stickers for you. So you can see the sticker will be created as well. So you can click on this, go to templates, you can see what you want to pin, select what you want to pin. So after you select it, you can see this option over here. You can click on this. This is a template available. So click on these. And this template has been created. Go to next, click continue. So this template has been created over here. After that, you can see that you can edit the color of this as well because this is currently white option over here. Go ahead and do this. You can see this is a good design becoming over here. So now what you need to do is go ahead and select a song for yourself. After you select a song, go ahead and click on your story option on the bottom left hand side. After you click it, you can see that this will be shared as a template. People across Instagram and Facebook can use this template in their own story, including any photos you've pinned. This template can be used after your story expires unless you delete the template. People across Instagram and Facebook can see that you created this template. You can change this at any time. If you want to delete your template or hide the started by credit, you can do this from archive or a story using your template. Go ahead and click on share template. And there you go. You have now created your own template as your story. I'm going to teach you how you can use other templates by adding a lot more interesting features. So you can add some interesting photos. Go to the template option over here. You can see the templates. Go ahead and click on this. You can see that you could play with it. So you can see that there are some other things going on over here. You can see there is a create reel option going on. You can end this or you can just go ahead and use this as well. After that, you can select your things over here. Like you can see that this is a template over here. You can select what you want to pin. You can move it. You can see there is this thing over here. Go ahead and click on next, click on continue, and you can see that this template has been created. People can share this over here on their screen and your template could be famous as well, but make sure that you follow the community guideline while sharing a template. You can also add some interesting photos, stickers, GIFs, or anything you want. So you can add anything. So let's go ahead and design your first story, because why not make your first story pretty and gorgeous? So you can see the reveal option over here. You can write this down and do this, or else you can delete it if you don't want to. You can select the song which you want to keep. After you select the song, click done, and now your first story is ready with the template on it. Let's go ahead and post this story. You can see your story option over here. You can share it to your Facebook or just Instagram. If you want to share it to Facebook, just go ahead and press it. And then it will be posted at your story. So you can see that this is been posting as your story. If you want to see where your story is, just go ahead and click on keep editing. I think this has been hanged for a while, so let's go ahead and close this for a while. And the story is uploading. Just go ahead and open it, and you can see that this is currently done. So this was the first template which we created. This is for a song you have on repeat right now. And the second one is what's your fave, which has created for color, drink, movie and emoji. So people can use this as well. If they do this, you can see that this template will come around. So guys, this is how you post your first Instagram story using the templates. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.